Hi there, I'm going to show you how to add speedometers and other gauges to your GoPro footage using the GoPro app, which is available for either iOS or Android. So go and open up your app and then select the media using the media button and then select the footage you want to use. Once you've got the footage open, if you see the little pencil symbol, press that and that brings up the edit functions. Scroll to the right, you'll see stickers. Press the stickers and then you've got the various stickers you can put on there. So I'm going to initially use the speedometer, and if you keep pressing it, you'll move it around your footage. I'll put it into the bottom left hand corner, and then if you press it again it will disappear off as well if you don't want it on footage. Then I'll add terrain, put that in the bottom right hand corner, and then I'm going to put the altitude chart in the top right hand corner and then the speed chart in the top left hand corner. Once you've done that, then click the tick and wait for the symbol to stop rotating and then click save. It'll then save it in the app, and then if you want to export it, and I'm going to export it to my phone's photos, click the top button with the box and arrow, and it says save to photos. Click save to photos and then it will prepare your clip and save it to photos. Now this takes quite a long time. Usually this 1 minute 11-second clip, it took about 3 minutes. But I find it's the easiest way of transferring stuff to your PC or Mac. Then go into your Photos app. This is why I call it on iOS anyway. Open it up, you'll have the clip in there, and then you can either airdrop if it's a Mac system, iOS, or mail, and using a Dropbox or mail drop style, then you can send the very large file across to your Mac or PC, and then you can put it into any movie editing software that you want to. And this is a much easier way than using the actual PC GoPro Quick software. That doesn't allow you to use full clips, and I haven't got it to work with my GoPro Hero 9 Black yet. So I hope you enjoyed this short instructional video on how to add speedos and gauges to your GoPro footage. It certainly makes it much more interesting for other people to watch. And I'll show you a short clip at the end of this of how it looks on a finished edited video. And I've done a TimeWarp video on my GoPro Hero 9. Thank you very much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. If you do like it, please do press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.